Hello everyone, how are you today? Trust you are doing great. Right, I want to show you a very powerful tool that you can use to turn your text to speech. I know that many of us are familiar with 11 Labs, but I tell you, this one is better than 11 Labs. And the best part of it is that it is free. If you're one of those that tell stories, let's say African folk tales, English folk tales, and so on and so forth, this AI is one of the best out there, and this is free of charge. You're not paying a dime. So if you are ready, let's dive in, and I'm going to show you how you can use Google AI Studio, because that is the AI, Google AI Studio, to turn your text to speech free of charge. If you're ready, let's dive in.
Now, what you need to do is, first of all, you need a story. All right, and then go to ChatGPT. And for me, I'm going to tell ChatGPT to create a story on Pinky and the brain. I'm sure many of us are familiar with this story. And I click on generate, and it's going to generate the story for me. All right, you just have to be patient, and it's going to generate all the story. Now it said, do you want me to create a fun cartoon style story of Pinky and the brain? I said yes, then send it, and then it's now generating the story for me. Deep inside the old HME labs, the cage was quiet except for the rustling of papers and the sound of a keyboard clicking. All right, so it has finished generating just a short story for me. All right, so what I'll do now is I'll copy the text. All right, select and then copy the text. You can copy everything. All right, okay. So excuse me. I'll copy all the story, and then I'll go to my browser again, and I'll look for Google AI Studio, and it's going to take me to Google AI Studio interface, where I'm going to convert my text to speech. Okay, now it has brought me to Google AI Studio, where I will convert my story to speech. So scroll down to this one, the native speech generation. So you click on it, and if you bring it to this interface, you click on this little dashes here, and then we have single speaker studio, we have multi-speaker studio. So depending on you, single speaker studio is just one person telling the story, while multi-speaker story is several people telling the story. So it depends on the number of people that you want to tell your story. But for me, I want single speaker studio, so I'll select on single. Then the person that will tell the story, the voice, can listen to all of them. Let's listen to the first one.
Ready to build something awesome today?
Then the second one.
Got a project in mind?
Next one.
What do you want to explore?
So you can listen to all of them and choose the one you think will resonate with your story. For me, I think I'll go with this one. Let's see.
Ready to build something awesome today?
All right, so I like this one, so I'll select on it, and then click on this star here to exit, and then I'll copy the story that I just copied. I'll come here and paste it here. So paste. All right, so you can go through it and tweak the story to meet what you think it's okay for you, and then click on run control, and then it's going to generate the speech for you. So it's going to take a few seconds to 1 minute to generate the speech, so let's be patient.
Deep inside the old Acme Labs, the cage was quiet, except for the rustling of papers and the sound of a keyboard clicking. Brain sat at a tiny computer he had built out of scrap parts, wires, and a potato-powered battery. His eyes glowed with determination. Brain: Pinky, are you pondering what I'm pondering? I think so, Brain. But if cats already chase mice, then why do they need laser pointers too? Narf? Brain sighed, rubbing his forehead. No, Pinky. Tonight we use the greatest tool of the modern era to take over the world: social media. Pinky's ears perked up. Ooh, like cat videos? I love cat videos. They're so fuzzy, Brain. Precisely. If humanity wastes its time watching endless videos of cats, we shall provide them with a
Wow, isn't this great? Wow, you can see the sound. You can see that it sounds even different from the sounds that we get from 11 Labs. You know, of course, 11 Labs have good sounds and human-like voices, but you pay for them. All right, they give you just free credits for free, but eventually you end up paying for their respective voices. But for Google AI Studio, you are not paying a dime. Everything is free. All right, so you can actually turn your speech, your text to speech free, all right, without paying a dime. All right, so Google AI Studio has actually made it available for us to use AI to turn our text to speech free of charge. So for those of you that are into storytelling, like African folk tales and so on and so forth, Google AI Studio is one of the best platform that you can actually use to create human-like voices that will really resonate with your stories and resonate with your audience as well. All right, so thank you very much for watching till this time. So if you're okay with the voice, you're okay with the story, all right, so just click on the three dots here and then download it to your device. All right, okay, download to your device. All right, so if you find value in this video, please kindly like and subscribe. All right, and also click the notification bell so that when I upload my subsequent videos, you're one of the first to get notified. Thank you very much once again. Please kindly like and share, and please kindly watch my next video on how to create how to create Christian folk tales using AI free of charge. So kindly watch it, and you're going to see it pop up before the end of the video. Thank you very much, and I'm going to see you next time. Bye.